Hello everybody, and we are about to take a hotel room tour here at the Comfort Inn Williamsburg Gateway of room 347. RFID locks, and once we enter the room, you can see a big, beautiful king-size bedroom. We have a bathroom over here with all my supplies, a nice big sink by Grohe, a not name brand toilet, a shower curtain with big tub and shower head. We then leave this room, and here is a snack mate microwave and a Sanyo fridge and all my foodstuffs in a single cup coffee maker, ice bin, and cups, etc. Then here's a mirror. Hey y'all, baby. Then we have a LG flat screen TV, desk and ergonomic chair. Up here you have a view of the beautiful US Route 60. And then a central air Amana unit. Lamps, drawers here, drawers also here, with my clothes and stuff in them. You can see there. Big relax chair so you can have more than a person in here. Another lamp. Big wardrobe with safe and stuff. Pack towels up there. This is the kind of key card you'll get at the front desk. A grip stand, telephone, Zenith alarm clock, and a bed, which I've been here for about 2 days now, and I checked the bed earlier. There were minimal mistakes, but overall it was clean. And I only paid about $125 a night in the summer for this. So it was a great bargain, and my final rating for this hotel is about an 8 out of 10. So, with all that being done, I will see you next time, and please subscribe to Adam Sisk Entertainment.